locate the valve hole on the rim. Make a hole on the rim tip in order to insert the tubeless tire valve. Insert the tubeless tire valve. Remember to tighten the valve nut with fingers only. Over tighten may damage the valve seal. Confirm the rotation direction. I am using Massey's Aggresso 2.5 inch for my front wheel. You can see the direction of rotation on the tire itself. It's a good practice to align the tire brand to the valve. Push in one side of the tire bead to the rim channel. Place the bead to the center of the rim channel so that you will have more access and easier to push in the last bead. Use tire lever to hook in the last bead. Now you can push in the other side of the bead to the rim channel. Same here, make sure the bead at the center of the rim channel. Now you can hook in the last bead. Get the strap which is long enough to wrap around the tire. Adjust the strap so the strap will give little compressions on the tire to let the bead in contact with the rim at all times. I usually apply soapy water around the beads so that the beads can sit easily on the rim. Okay, show time. Pump up quickly with the bicycle floor pump. Get ready to hear the pop. You can see the tire bead squeezing out the soapy water. Pump up hard enough to make sure the bead sits properly. Remove the strap and clean up the tire. Ensure the tire bead sit properly by checking the reference line on the tire. Okay, now setting up a place to hang the wheel in order to fill the sealant. Hang the tire upright with the valve at the bottom. Deflate the tire but don't squeeze. The beads might come out from the rim. I mean the rim sealing surface. Remove the valve core and plug in a syringe. I'm using about 90 milliliters of stand sealant for my 2.3 inch and 2.5 inch wide tire. Clip on the syringe tube in order for you to measure the quantity of the sealant. Now unclip the syringe tube for the sealant to flow in by gravity. Tilt the tire and syringe slightly in order to empty the syringe. Remove the syringe and install back the valve core. Inflate the tire with the bicycle pump to the right pressure. Keep the wheel horizontal and shake it. Let the sealant spread out. And finally, I will do a leak check with the soapy water. I apply soapy water on the valve, on the spoke nuts, and the edge of the rim. Done. Not that difficult, right?